on a journey today. I love pole, I love nature, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna do some light makeup because I am gonna be a little sweaty. I do want to do like 2 little pigtails so like my hair can just be out of my way. And for some reason, I kind of feel like every time I have 2 pigtails, I'm more talkative. So I'm more extroverted with my 2 pigtails. Fuck it. But anyways, girlies, we got a few minutes. It's 1:35 and it starts at 4 and it's like an hour away, I believe. So I have to get it moving. So I'm taking you guys with me to the park, to the nature pole event that I will be attending, and I'm very excited to show you guys. So come on, quick little glam. And I'm gonna stop being distracted and hurry up and get ready. Okay, so I am ready for a pole workout in nature. Oh shit, I gotta go. All right, you guys, let's head out before we're late. Mwah.
What's up, YouTube? Back again with another bang.
Whoa!
Timbo! So I think if we go straight, we go more towards Mount Charleston. So this is like 1, 2. Still part of Mount Charleston, probably just a different area.
Nice. And I'm here by myself, but hopefully I can make some friends. I'm walking by myself. I haven't been in nature in a really long time by myself, so this feels really, really nice. I'm excited to meet people and have pole time with the baddies. Oh my gosh, I'm literally walking over here. Hopefully I'm going the right way. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hopefully I'm going the right way. I'm alone. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. This is exactly what I needed. Wow. Hopefully I'm coming the right way. I hope I am going the right way, which I think I am. I gotta pee so bad, so hopefully I make it quick, just so I can go pee. I can move friends. So lately I've been just kind of working on growing my Instagram, but I feel like the only way I can grow is like when I'm showing my ass. So I've been kind of posting more booty. So don't mind that if you guys are watching. Just know I'm still on my YouTube shit. I just gotta reel in the money they will bring. I'm gonna be here for like 3 hours and 30 minutes. Wow, like little dragonflies, nature. And I think the campground is over here. This is a workout for Mama already. I haven't been working out for about, it's been 2 weeks. But I've been eating good, healthy. Get out the way, just in case. So, I hope. Are you here for the poll? Yeah. Me too. Are we going the right way? Me too, because I have to go pee pee. Okay, we'll find a place. Let's see. Where we hear people. I think it might be maybe up there.
Yeah, I think there's something.
Okay, I'm gonna go pee. Yeah. I'll see you right now, okay? Alright, we're gonna use the restroom. And then we're gonna go back and see where the girls are at. Okay. Ooh, it's locked. I think we might need... Oh, there's probably someone in there. Oh no. I might have to pop a squat, you guys. Bro, this is a workout. Fuck. So I just made it. So this is set up. Everyone just got here. We're kind of getting settled in, and I'm gonna introduce you to Sunny and Ariel when they come back, because these are the two women that created this event today. And I'm excited to learn some pole tricks. Start stretching a little bit, actually. I might have to. I'm gonna meet some of the girlies, and yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully I don't smell. Let me put this on. Sunny here and Ariel. Thank you guys so much for creating this. It's perfect. Pole and nature. What better place? Oh. No, what better place? You know what? I didn't want to be that girl because I was like, I brought a little joint and my boyfriend was like,
oh no, you're good.
I was like, I don't know. I'm gonna have them perfect. I was trying to be normal. No. You guys did amazing. I'm so excited. I need to stretch so I don't hurt myself. You do pole work, baby girl?
Open air, so
yes. This is lovely. Okay. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go and start getting on the pole. Maybe later on I'll be able to like set you guys up so you guys can see me work it a little bit. It's been about 2 years. Please don't judge me off of it because I'm building my upper strength back. It went away after I took some time off, so I'm excited. All right, guys. So luckily this is like 420 friendly as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and light this up and just catch a little vibe in nature with a bunch of pole baddies. Okay, let me set my, maybe I'll set it right here. Okay, so this is a pre-roll that my boyfriend's friend gave him.
Yeah, my legs are just gonna like give out because
how can you do it so
from
like
hiking. Yeah, because I can feel them like I don't know. I think my electrolytes are not. seen that couch? Wow. Okay, I didn't know you had all of this.
Wow. Today's a lovely day. And it's not chilly. And it's not too hot. It's just right. Okay.
I'm gonna get some dry hands. Hopefully, I don't hurt myself too because I'm high. Why is it a little slippery today?
I don't know, and it's silicone, so I don't know what's going on.
So you have your hands like this?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You did it before, too.
Yeah, I want to do it in a way
Yeah.
where you just...
Are you ready?
So this works.
Yeah, because I do it on my right, because I'm right, so I do my right and then at the top, and then I go like here. But do whatever side you want. I don't know.
So this is for right-handed?
I mean, it's either side you want, but if you're right hand, put your right on top. But either side. Your shoes do stand out when you're up there. So like try to hook your legs and then like get your hips up, and then you can spread your legs.
I'm just burning myself.
You know, that shit hurts.
I see you, girl. No, you're actually thinking it's actually very there. I'm gonna give you 2 more tips.
Okay, thank you.
I teach at Sundays.
Perfect, I'll be there. Perfect, because I need help, so thank you so much.
So, really, like, I want you to get that in that angle. You have a elbow tuck. Get it that chin right, like right up, chin length. Okay. Really, like be there, chin level. That outside hand. Okay. So you're gonna be here. You're gonna be up on your tippy toes. So get up on those tippy toes. Think about. You're gonna start getting those hips up. So like you said, like hips up, rocket motion. You're going to lift back. Because that's gonna help you get that momentum and hips up, your body back, and your arms locked.
So keep it locked, like
Your arms, so your arms are locked right here.
so I'm gonna have
You're
to
gonna extend. Extend those. Right?
okay.
So
One time and then okay. Okay.
extend.
Oh, you kind of like fall into it. Okay. Like a little one.
And then you do your inside or outside leg.
Thank you.
So come back out.
Beautiful.
Then extend low.
Thank you
So
so much.
think about those when you tuck. You're gonna hip up, swing those hips. You're rocking your you're rocking your hips up. You're gonna extend those arms and you lift back.
I don't know why I feel like
Which try both sides. I have a favorite side, so I do both. But try both. And then booty in front. So get separate in front. Yes, perfect. There.
not the butt preventing me from doing what I want to do.
Switch your hands, baby.
Like, I don't
So outside hand's gonna be on top. So this is your outside.
oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Perfect. Hands are perfect.
I'm not trying to move my hip.
You're gonna try tucking. So you can try to pick up. It's not the safest.
It's not this. Okay.
Yeah. Try tucking. Looking back when you come. So it's gonna be hard to do because it's a hard motion to like tilt and like lift those
I don't think I
hips.
have the muscles right now. I will.
So if you do the kick, just be careful because it's not the like safest way
Okay.
to do it. So this is the most like
effective. Because eventually, so like you could start off with the kick and then the tucks. Eventually, you're gonna do the part with your legs straight, right? Or you would start with one tucked in, one leg straight, and then extend. But legs are technically supposed to.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to try what she's saying? Because I didn't get it down, but maybe. Okay. Baby girl's gonna do it.
How long have you been doing this?
I used to strip like 5 years ago, but I haven't been on a pole for 2 years.
Low, yes. Right face level. Perfect.
I haven't been on a pole for 2
Yes,
years.
yes, yes! See?
Oh, you got that
So,
strength, girl.
It's the, yeah. So the legs, you got the legs perfect.
Can I see it one more time? No, because I wanna get it down. Wow.
Like here, like this level.
Yeah. Yes.
There you
Yeah.
go.
And then you got your hands. Perfect. Those hooks? Yes, yes.
I hope I'm able to get
How
that
do I get up
today.
from here?
Okay, so right now
Well-
you could do, I would say for easy for you is to do the handstand, but I can also teach you a shoulder mount dismount. If you're up for the,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
There you
Good.
go.
So, the shoulder mount dismount, you pretty much have to lift into that upside down crucifix, right?
yeah.
I'm gonna show it to you. Because you have the right hand placement, so make sure you do your cup right. If you've never tried cup, and it's gonna be right by your belly button. So I'm gonna.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm here, right? I'm gonna
Wow.
start to lower my hands right by the navel of my belly button, and I'm going to tuck my chin up so the pole leads into my shoulder. So then I'm gonna start to lower my legs down.
Wow.
I'm going to extend and make my legs straight out.
Beautiful.
So that's the shoulder mount dismount.
You saw how she landed?
The shoulder mount, like train.
I need to learn those little moves.
Shoulder mount is a fucking bitch. But I've been doing that over and over and over again. At first it's very fucking scary.
Yeah.
But the more you tuck and lower those legs, so I started to slide those legs in tucking motion, and I kind of was like in this ball.
Yeah.
And then I straddled out, lowered.
Perfect. Should I try one more time?
Try it.
I need to believe in myself a little bit more.
If you want to do, because there's also like you have the standing inverts, right? Or you can do it like a little bit like you can lower and flip.
Like start from lower?
Yep. Start practicing. That move, yes. Yes.
What? Oh, yeah.
I said you almost got it.
The sound effects.
What just happened?
We're basically there.
Mama's gonna have it. I think I get a little frightened.
You probably do. It's probably your head talking to you,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Because I don't even drive.
It's really
I'm 30 with no license. I'm still.
You're like, I don't even drive.
I don't even drive.
I
Like.
can't even go. No, is it? No, trust me, it's fucking scary.
Well, I did aerial silks before I ever tried pole,
Oh.
which is
How is that?
it's fun, but you're
That's
upside
it.
down very quickly. Like that's like one of the first things you do.
Get that. Yes! And then if you feel it too, if you do the kick up,
Why does it
hook
hurt?
it.
It hurts on your side, huh? When it
It can. It can sometimes. It's not supposed to.
I think I'm hurting
like,
myself.
If it's not stretched enough, and if, like you said, like the muscle, like the mobility in the muscle fits at first, it's fucking hard. But the more you practice this, yes. Yes. And you hook it.
Sorry. I'm gonna take a little breaky.
What's your name? Ariel.
Oh, nice.
Do you teach classes somewhere? I teach at Sunny. Oh, cool.
Beautiful.
I teach Sunday and Monday. And then so obviously Sunday we're out doing this.
Yeah.
And, tomorrow I have 7:15 beginner. Right now it's beginner 1, but I think I'm gonna switch it to beginner 2, which at that we'll start like doing your class. But if you already got that, then I do intermediate.
Nice.
Nice.
So I get into I fucking love shoulder monks. They're my favorite.
Wow. How long did it take you to learn that? Wow.
It took me, honestly, like, the more I did shoulder mount dismount,
Yeah.
like a month.
Beautiful. I like how you do that in the back at the end. It gives it a nice little.
The little, yes, the arch.
Uh-huh.
I've like stretch. I'm telling you, stretch.
Oh my gosh, this is not good. My DJI is dying and I don't have an extra battery, you guys. So I'm gonna try to turn it off and get a little bit of what I do at the end and come right back, okay? Bye bye. Thank you, God. Now we gotta pump that pussy. One day I'm gonna learn it. You know how she goes backwards?
Oh no.
I never made love.
Yeah.
I
don't know how to
I only have like 5 seconds worth of content in me anyways. I can't do anything yet. She's so crooked.
You can put it over here for like a better background.
Where do you think? Where do you think?
I think the mountains are pretty like that.
You think I don't know what to do on that?
Oh.
I was lost. I couldn't even stop. Okay, maybe I won't go on it.
If I do, I'm just gonna be very slow.
Right. Hopefully they don't kick me out of class for just being a naughty girl. Nice. That's what I want to learn. How like it became
good.
effortlessly. Like I.
Effortlessly good.
How do I do that? That. Oh, excuse me, ma'am.
That was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Someone else wants to have one.
Wow. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. What made you move out here?
My now ex-boyfriend.
Oh, so he. Okay, so he was a piece of shit, and then you're like, you know what, fuck him.
Well, no, it's a long story.
Right. Okay,
But
so.
he's back in Nebraska now, so.
So you guys are separated for the moment?
Yeah, for forever.
So he brought you here to Vegas, and then you guys kind of.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Because I was thinking that today.
Mhm.
And I thought, like, I've been in so many terrible relationships in my life. Like,
Mhm.
terrible.
Yeah.
Like, my Venus is in my 12th house, and that's like. I feel like I was a chihuahua on steroids today. I feel like I was just panting everywhere. Oh my God, I'm gonna walk this beautiful trail. Like, this is so beautiful. All the ladies I met today were amazing. Shout out Ariel, the other Ariel as well, and shout out Sunny. You guys were amazing. I'm really glad no one judged my weirdness. Okay, this is starting to get a little intimidating, but I know I can do it. It is some ways down, but it's not bad. But that was success. Let me know if you guys want to watch more of those, like what I do out and about. Um, I think it's so beautiful out. Oh my gosh. Hello, trees. Hello, beautiful nature. And that's one way to make me happy. I feel like once I start recording myself, I'm always a lot quieter than I am usually. I was just fucking chatty. I'm just preparing myself. I feel like my boyfriend's gonna be there waiting for me. I would like to see an owl. Oh, that is so cute. That was a little weasel. That is so cute. I hope I wasn't annoying, dude. I hate when I leave places and I start to feel like I was annoying because I was talking too much. But what can I do? I'm just a girl with ADHD. Okay. But yeah, I don't want to be too quiet. I don't want to have to surprise anything per se. So that was so successful, you guys. I can't believe I'm here in wilderness. But I'm almost there. It was there's a lovely girl I had met. Amazing. Just get out of the road. Oh, fuck. This is my workout. Finally. Oh, wow. I need to stop smoking weed.